Hey there, welcome to Flatbread Friday. And as you may or may not know, this week I made some homemade bread and butter pickles from some cucumbers in my garden. And when my daughter was young, anytime we ordered a pizza, she used to order pickle pizza, which made me kind of sick, but it wasn't sweet pickle, it was dill pickle, and I'm not really a dill pickle person. But I had some bacon on hand, and I got these pickles to use, and today we're gonna make a bacon and sweet pickle pizza, sweet pickle flatbread. I'm doing it on a flatbread crust, so let's do it. We're gonna start with a rustic artisanal flatbread pizza crust. And the first thing we're gonna do is top it with some sauce. Okay, so we have our sauce, and that's going on. I was gonna mix the sauce with some barbecue sauce, but then I remembered how tangy these pickles are on their own. So we don't need any additional tang for sure. Next thing that's going on is some shredded mozzarella. Distribute that nice and evenly all around. The next thing that's going on is some cooked and crumbled bacon. I left the pieces fairly good size. We'll distribute that all around. Our bacon is on. And here's a close-up of our bread and butter pickles. Now it's pickles and onions, so that's 2 vegetables. And we're gonna start placing them around. As little liquid as possible. Our pickles are down, looking good. I think that'll be plenty. And we're gonna just do one more thing. Because bacon goes with cheddar and so do pickles, I'm gonna give a light sprinkle of some cheddar over top of these. Not too much. Just a little bit. Our bacon and sweet pickle flatbread is all topped up and ready to go in the oven. This crust calls for 425, and it's probably gonna take 15 or 20 minutes, and let's see how she comes out. Our bacon and sweet pickle pizza is out of the oven, crispy and bubbly, and the cheese is nicely browned, and the toppings are nicely browned as well. And now we're gonna slice it and serve it. Here we have our bacon and sweet pickle pizza on a plate. And at the last minute, this was something I wasn't planning on, but I'm gonna do it. I had some ranch dressing that I had made in the refrigerator, left over from when I made the pinwheels with the chicken bacon ranch pinwheels, and ranch goes with bacon and goes with pizza. And it's kind of drippy, but we're gonna drizzle it on. And it is now ready to serve. Let's take a bite. Thank you for joining me while I use my bread and butter pickles to make a bacon and sweet pickle pizza. And we'll garnish it with some ranch dressing. And now we're gonna take a little bite. So good, tangy, creamy, smoky, and crispy. And it's gonna be such a good flatbread. I've been calling it a pizza all along, and you know, pizza and flatbread are kind of the same thing. But thank you for joining me for Flatbread Friday, and we will see you again soon.